In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create and use a web form template. A web form is a collection of different types of data elements that have been placed in an easy-to-use point-and-click format. Web forms are great for H&Ps and creating SOAP notes. Now let's create a web form template. Click on T for Template, scroll down to Add Template, and select Web Form. You will need to name the template. I am calling this web form Demo Web Form. Next, choose a folder in which to save it. Select the Want to Share button. This option should always be checked so that the web form can be shared within your office and used for multiple patients. You are now ready to add sections to the web form. Click on the Edit button next to the section name and name that section. You will need to choose a section type: Text, Diagnosis, Procedures, and Vital Signs. For this selection, we will select the Text option. Click the small circular Save button to continue, and you are now ready to edit the section. Click the Edit Text section, type in the text, and then you will click the Save option in the top right corner of the text box. Add as many text subsections as needed. To add more main sections, click on the Add Section button. Let's create a diagnosis section. After naming and saving the diagnosis section, we will start typing in the first few letters of the diagnosis code. As you can see, a pop-up menu appears with a convenient list of all diagnosis codes. Select the code and press Enter. When you choose diagnosis codes, you can start creating lists of diagnoses or frequently used diagnoses that will then be presented as text boxes in your web form note. This is a convenient way to capture structured diagnosis information. You are now ready to add another section. One of BioStation's unique features is the Vital Signs section. When choosing this option, BioStation automatically populates these fields using the patient's most recent data. Procedure codes can also be used for easy billing reference. Let's create one more text section, and then we'll be ready to save our web form. Now let's use the web form we created by clicking on T and going to the New Demo folder. Select the Demo web form. If I check the box next to the Demo 1 heading, you can see that all of the data in that section is added to my form. Alternately, only the first few letters of the text are displayed, but you can easily see the full text content when putting your mouse pointer over the text. You can also simply click on a few entries in any section, and only those entries will be added when creating your note. When finished, click the Add button, and the web form appears in the Quick Note text box to be edited and then saved to the patient's health record. Thank you for viewing BioStation's web form template tutorial.